Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today I'm going to be talking about this BG72 that I supposedly was going to kill, and we weren't going to fix it. And if you remember this, I did the video here a couple weeks ago about the engine that was burned up in it. I'll just go ahead and show you the piston cylinder again. As you can tell, right there in the corner on the exhaust and the intake as well. Some pretty good gouges. I went ahead and replaced this cover here where the muffler was all just melted away. The muffler was actually just loose and off, and all the exhaust gases were just pushing and melting and tearing up this housing. This housing was only 10 bucks, and the short block was only 39 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. Give it a crank here. Going to choke it, wide open throttle, give it a pull. Popped one time, half choke, off choke. Runs pretty good. I apologize for the wind noise on. It is way bad today. Got good idle and good wide open throttle. I think my facility guy will be happy. I didn't film this due to time restraints. I had to get it done and get it fixed quickly. But at the end of my video, at the end here, I'm going to put 4 videos, one here, here, and here, about how to do a short block, and I'll do a complete reseal job on a 2-cycle engine on a Stihl BR420. I'm going to include that one, and like I said, a short block, and I'll figure something else out there 2-cycle wise to get y'all going. And hopefully I got a couple of messages the other day. Hey, More Medic, I want more 2-cycle. I want more 2-cycle. Well, I'm trying to get her done for you. Let me go deliver this, and we'll catch you later on the next video. Have a good day.